Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is the Costco Samurai. Today I'm doing something a little bit different. I'm going to take you on my journey, where I'm going to start building my dream traditional Japanese home with a twist. With a little help from ChatGPT, I'm blending timeless Japanese architecture with elegant French accents. Let me show you how this unique vision begins. So picture this, a traditional Japanese home. Its tiled roof bowing gracefully to centuries of craftsmanship. Sliding shoji doors whispering secrets of seasons past. Now step inside, a revelation. Gone is the predictable sparseness, replaced by a Parisian dream. Bathed in white. It's as if Kyoto and Paris shared a bottle of Bordeaux, then decided to redecorate. The walls wear intricate French moulding, their crisp whiteness kissed with gilded accents, catching the light like a Monet sunrise. The furniture, tufted, curved, unapologetically decadent, yet it somehow sits humbly beneath ancient wooden beams that have seen more winters than I have espresso shots in Paris. Here lies the heart of my thought process. Fusion without losing the soul. Every element whispers of two worlds in harmony. The precision of Japanese simplicity, holding hands with the unapologetic luxury of French design. This is not just a home, it's a dialogue, a dance of culture and time. Would you change a step in this waltz? Comment below. And there you have it, the start of something truly extraordinary, a home where tradition and elegance meet by the sea, weaving a story only this island could tell. Thank you for joining me on this journey. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell button for updates as I bring this vision to life. This is the Costco Samurai. Until next time, stay curious, stay inspired, and I'll see you soon. Bye, bee.